12,000 years before Zoom calls and cement trucks, we built our first shelters with sticks, mud, and whatever didn't bite back. Thatched roofs, zero insulation, and definitely no permits. Then came the OG bricks, prehistoric mud pancakes made of clay and straw. Around 7,000 BCE, Jericho and Çatalhöyük were stacking these like it was Minecraft IRL. No firing, no color, just sun-dried sass and structural optimism. But Mesopotamia said, hold my amphora. Around 4,000 BCE, they cranked the heat and gave us the world's first fired bricks. Reddish, strong, flood-resistant, and finally not biodegradable. Why? Because they had no stone, no timber, and no chill. They wanted temples, walls, and maybe an early Airbnb. Meanwhile, in Egypt, someone thought, let's just build triangles, big ones, out of stone, lots of stone. Cue the Great Pyramid, 2,500 BCE. Project timeline, 20 years. Team size, 100,000. Tools, ropes, copper chisels, and generational trauma. Jump ahead to 1924, enter Mr. Eriksson in Sweden. He says, what if we trap air inside concrete? Boom, AAC blocks. Lightweight, insulating, and finally a reason to skip arm day at the job site. And now, 100 years later, here comes System 3E. Insulated, mortar-free, dry-assembled walls you can build faster than your morning coffee cools. From mud bricks and pyramids to snapping smart blocks, we've gone from sweat and fire to click and done. Because building homes should be less back pain in Babylon and more drag, drop done. System 3E-5,000 years of innovation, finally stackable without a priest or a pulley.